Hello, hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope that you're doing great and your family and your friends as well. Thank you for all the amazing works that you did yesterday with the videos. I'm glad that you have a lot of fun with them. Today, we're going to start tracing our names, okay? So for that, you're going to need my name book. I have it ready here. You can invite a friend. I have my friend, the unicorn. Say hello. Hello, guys. And I have a pencil. And today I invited my friends with different colors, my friends' crayons. Okay, so you ready? Who knows whose name is this one? Let's check it out. The first letter and the sound. Yes, you're right. The sound of that letter is Fernanda. Very good. Fire. What else? Fruit. Perfect. One more. Flower. Great job. Okay, so for this first name, I'm going to use my pencil. You ready? So I'm going to take my time to trace Fernanda's name this time. So I'm going to go down, side, side. And then I'm going to continue with the next letter. That is E. Side, around, stop. And doing my best to trace connecting the little lines. Next letter, it is R. Down and bump. A little bump in here. And down, bump. That's a big one. Now I'm going to continue with A. Around, stop, down, up, and down. You see? Fernanda has 2 N's on her name. So I'm going to continue with the second N. Down and bump. And next letter, D. D, D, D. We do have a friend with that same sound. What is her name? Darlene. And this is the lowercase d. To trace it, I'm going to say around, stop, up, down. And finally, the second A that Fernanda has on her name. Around, stop, up, and down. Perfect. Looks good? Yes. Okay, so we are going to pick another page. You ready? So you're going to take a look and help me to guess whose name is this one. Let's move our front so we can turn the page. Yeah. Ta-da! Do you recognize this name? What is the first sound for this first letter? Everybody repeat with me. Steven. Yes, that's right. That's Steven's name. Okay, so now to do something different, we are going to connect the stars using a crayon. Oops, sorry, friend. So I'm going to pick this color. Okay, what color is this? Red. Excellent. So I'm going to say curve in, curve out. And I remember that we have different friends with the same sound. Curve in, curve out. Do you remember your names? With the sound? What friends? So we mentioned Steven. We have Sarah E. Very good. We have Sebastian. You got it. Now we are going, you can keep tracing the name with the same color, or just you can switch if you want to. So next letter, down, across, so we have T, and then I have my dog walking around. We are going to trace the E. I'm going to show you a picture of her. Side, around, stop for E. Very good. And then down, up for V. Steven has 2 E's on his name. Side, around, stop. Very good. And one more. Down and bump for N. It looks good? Perfect. Now you are going to pick another page from the book and you're going to show me your work, okay? It's time to work and you're going to show me. Have a great day. Kisses. Bye. She is Brisa. Brisa, say hello. Hello. Hey guys. Are you writing your name? Please send us pictures. Good job, girl. Say bye. Bye-bye.